Today I got a customer that wanted to put the amplifier. The radio is already installed. I will link it up how to install the radio out here. And what I did, I ran the RCA jack remote wire down from there, run it over here, and underneath here all you have to do is pop this with a flathead. It should pop out. Run it underneath here. You don't have to take this off if you don't want to. Just slide it in there. Coming in here, and RCA jack and remote wire and the power wire right there. What I did, I just pulled this up a little bit, and if you see the light, if there's a light in the back, you will see it. All you do is slide it in there with your hand right there. Just make sure you put gloves on so you don't cut yourself. So the wires, you pull this out right here, you'll see the hole in there. You'll be able to see your wire. Just grab the wire, run it up here. I just want to show you right here. I haven't put it back in yet. So I got the amp right there. I got Orion. I got to fix this up right here. So I just showed my brother-in-law how to put this wire right in there really good. Basically you're gonna have to take the insulator right there about 1 inch and remove this screw right here all the way out, and then push this thing in and then tighten it back, and then I can push it back and put the RCA jack. I'm gonna show you real quick. And you want to put an input right here, and then you can slide it back or hide the wire a little bit better, and then you can put an L bracket right here so it won't move, because what happened, the wire is really short. So I slide the box back, and that's what it looked like. And I'm gonna put a L bracket right here and right there. Use the short screw. So I have a video where I showed how to hook up the fuse. So basically it's pretty simple. You strip it about 1/2 inch, and then you slide it in, and there's a fuse inside there. That's pretty simple. I'm not going to show that. If you guys need a link, I can send a link. But other than that, you're gonna remove this. I use a plier to remove this. I'm going to use like a short. What you want to do, you want to take a plier, make sure it's fully insulated out here so you don't actually hit the metal and short something out. And just remove it. Now once you got everything out, all you have to do is push this thing out right there, or grab a plier and pull it out like so, and kind of clean this terminal a little bit. A lot of corrosion. Now you want to put this short terminal, side post terminal right in here, and then you want to tie it with the depend on what brand you bought. I would tie it in with the 5/8 right there. I kind of take this out a little bit so I can get a good connection, because look at the corrosion. I clean a little bit. If you don't do that, since this short terminal is pretty short too, you're gonna strip it. So you want to see that, the corrosion and the thickness of it and everything. So I clean it really good. So I had to trim out the red terminal, not terminal, plastic right there. Don't worry about this, is loose. As long as the metal right there is tight, you're good to go. And then you also need the smaller bit. It's 9/16 right there. And like I said, different brand has a different size, so it might be different. So now just put the ring terminal tight it about less than 10 pounds. So you don't want to over tighten it. You're gonna strip it. So just about right there where you can't move. And then put everything back together. Forgot to mention how to remove the seat out. So the seat will look like that, exactly like that. Here's a clip inside. What happened is you want to push this. You want to use your knee, push it in forward like this, and then pull it out with your hand. That's how you get it out. If you don't use your knee, you try to use your body, you might hurt your back. So be careful. I hurt my back one time, and that wasn't fun. But anyway, happy install. This is the owner. His name is Legend. So what you think, buddy?
For sure. You know what he doing.
Yeah?
It sound good, sound nice.
Yep.
Every time I'm gonna come back with him. This is what I do.
Yep. So how long we know each other?
Ooh, it's been years, man.
Years.
Never went nowhere else. This is where you come to get your hookup.
Appreciate it. And enjoy the music, man.
You already
Don't get pulled over by the cop.
Fuck him.
Fuck him, right? All right.
All right, good luck though.
Yep. Thanks, man.
For sure.